The greatest opponent of the British Raj was Mahatma Gandhi. He was a philosopher who loved to live out his own ideas. He wrote an autobiography naming the story of my experiments with truth. Mahatma Gandhi fought with the British with non-violence but with truth. He preferred truth amongst the lies and violence. The truth is bitter, as everybody knows that already, but Mahatma Gandhi was ready to suffer for his people, and the amount of power he had in his hand, the amount of power that he had with the people, if he used to go on a fast or anything, if the British did not listen to him or something had happened like that, he used to go on a fast. So the people who followed him, they were they did not feel good when he used to go on fast, because if Mahatma Gandhi died by any means of the British, or if the British did something to kill Mahatma Gandhi, the followers of Mahatma Gandhi would kill the British themselves.
So they were huge in numbers.
Yes,
Okay.
there were huge in numbers. Mahatma Gandhi used to go to a lot of places. He used to unify people. He used to make them his followers. And he also made Satyagraha, which meant holding on to the truth. And he hated the term passive resistance. In Satyagraha, there was the need of activism, not passivity. Mahatma Gandhi did all in his power that he could. He made Jinnah the Prime Minister of India, so that, because
He didn't make him the Prime Minister.
he suggested. Yes. But Mahatma Gandhi had the power to.
Why do you think he suggested that?
Because he thought that Jinnah would help him in a way, because he thought that Jinnah will help the Muslims to keep them quiet, and he could control the Muslims.
Okay, so the reason is that, so Jinnah wanted Pakistan.
Yes.
You get that?
Yes.
So, and Gandhi never wanted the division to happen.
Yes.
Right? So that's the reason he said that fine, we'll keep the country and we'll give the power to Jinnah.
Yes.
Even if, he was good with that.